If you're looking for the latest in earbud technology and performance, look no further than the Audeze iSine20 that I have in my ears. They actually look like mini TIE fighter wings on the side of my head. They are larger than normal earbuds, but it's because they're using some advanced technologies that typically you'd only see in over-the-ear headphones. It's called planar magnetic technology, and they also have uniforce diaphragms built into it. And again, typically you're only going to see diaphragms in over-the-ear headphones or speakers for that matter. So you're getting some pretty phenomenal sound from them. You can get an optional cipher cable that provides a lightning connection, which I have here for the iPhone, which also has a built-in 24-bit digital analog converter, a DAC, and an amplifier that's using NASA technology to provide lower distortion. Make no mistake, these things are at the high end. I think this particular set that I have with a cipher cable is coming in around the $600 US mark. But then again, the sound is phenomenal. Sure, it looks like I have a TIE fighter in my head, but these are the latest in earbud technology. You can get more information about the Audeze iSine20 at Audeze, and that's spelled AUDEZE.com.